Kerfkore, we build custom lightweight door panels in-house for a variety of interior projects. Today, we're going to walk you through our process step by step. First, we sand the interior framing to become the proper thickness for the door panel. We typically use finger-jointed poplar plywood due to its strength and resistance to warpage. We then take the framing and cut it down to size based on the customer's specifications. We work on many different size doors, so we always cut and organize by size for maximum efficiency. Now we are ready to assemble the door frames. Kerfkore doors can be customized to have as many horizontal or vertical internal bands across the panel as needed. We typically ask for drawings to ensure that we have the exact measurements for assembly. With our door frames assembled, we begin cutting the lightweight material to size. Here we are using XPS blue foam core. Using our panel saw, we cut the foam to size to fit snugly in the framing. Next, we need to apply the face materials to each side of the panel. Here we are running 1/8 inch fiberboard face materials through the glue spreader to apply the PVA glue. They are then carefully placed on each side of the panel. This improves durability and provides a stable surface for decorative attachments, such as laminates, veneers, metals, and more. To fully adhere all the panel components together, we move the panels into our press machine. The press machine is set to a precise PSI for a specific amount of time to ensure the face materials are firmly attached to the core and frame without overpressing. Once adhered, we place elevation rods in between each stacked panel, allowing even airflow on each side. The panels are then placed in a humidity-controlled room for 24 hours to ensure minimal added moisture while drying. The panels are then taken to our panel saw for trimming and cleanup. This step ensures the face materials are flush and perfectly aligned with the framing so that the edges are clean, smooth, and ready for the customer to apply their preferred finish. Finally, we put the cherry on the sundae and package our Kerfkore panels for shipment. Let us help you with your next lightweight door project. Give us a call to get started today.